So what if I told you your favorite phone color might secretly lock you out of more storage? Like picking jade instead of obsidian could cost you half a terabyte. Yeah, it's not just fashion anymore. Google might be tying storage tiers to colors in the new Pixel 10 series. And that's only the beginning of how weirdly bold Google is getting this year. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, and share this with your favorite tech nerd. Now, Google's going all in. The Pixel 10 lineup is huge this year. You've got the base Pixel 10, the beefed up Pro, the even beefier XL, and yes, a foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. And just when you think it's all about the specs, Google throws a curveball. Certain storage variants are only available in specific colors. So let's say you're eyeing the slick new jade finish on the Pixel 10 Pro. Looks amazing, right? Well, too bad. It might cap out at just 256 GB. Meanwhile, Obsidian gets all the love, including the elusive 1TB model. That's basically a laptop in your pocket, but only if you like your phone dark and moody. Same story with the XL version. Jade hits a ceiling while Obsidian keeps climbing. And in the foldable, Jade again tops out at 512 GB while Moonstone goes all the way. It's a strange move. Either genius marketing or a major frustration if your vibe doesn't match your storage needs. But honestly, the color locking drama is just the first layer. The Pixel 10 Pro itself might be the sleeper phone of 2025. First up, the camera. It's keeping the tried and true 50MP sensor, but it's not about the megapixels. It's what Google does with them. Night sight, HDR's magic eraser. This is still the king of computational photography. And even without a stacked telephoto lens, early leaks suggest zoom performance will still be top-notch. Now here's where it gets spicy. The chip. Google's reportedly ditching Samsung for its first fully in-house Tensor G5, possibly built by TSMC. Translation: better battery life, less overheating, and snappier performance. No more smart but sluggish reputation. This could be the first Pixel that genuinely competes head-to-head with the Snapdragon giants. And then there's AI. Not the creepy your phone is listening kind, more like helpful, invisible magic. Think Gemini AI enhancing your photos, handling voice commands smoothly, and even live translating your convos without killing battery. It's subtle but powerful, and very Google. And if you're not quite ready to throw your wallet at a flagship, the Pixel 10a might be your sleeper hit. Clean software, solid camera, and smart features for a fraction of the price. Basically a Pixel 3a spiritual successor, but for this decade. But Google's ambitions aren't stopping with phones. This is starting to look like a full-on Pixel ecosystem refresh. The Pixel Buds are coming in fun colors like hazel iris and fog light, plus new Pro 2s in sterling gray that perfectly match the phones. There's even a sleek new wireless charger in rock candy white. It's all about those subtle details. And don't sleep on the Pixel Watch 4, now in 2 sizes with upgraded bands and surprisingly stylish finishes like lemon moonstone and yes, obsidian. It finally feels like a watch you'd wear because it looks good, not just because it pairs with your phone. Altogether, this launch feels different. It's like Google finally cracked the ecosystem code. Phones, buds, watches, chargers, all visually and functionally synced. Apple, level polish with Google's personality. That's new. So yeah, between color, restricted storage, a homegrown chip, smarter AI, and a product family that actually feels like a family, Google's not just playing catch up this year. They're swinging big. The only question now, are you vibing with this new Pixel wave, or are you still holding out for Team iPhone or Galaxy? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm seriously curious. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and stay subscribed.